Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope and I'm on today with a fun tutorial. So I was making some sweet treats for my son and I thought I would share it with you. So I made these adorable little snowmen and they're made out of Hershey Nuggets. So I turned the little snowmen into, or the little Hershey Nuggets into snowmen, and I just thought they were so cute. So I thought I would share with you. So we're gonna go through supplies and a quick little tutorial. I saw these on Pinterest and I thought they would be so fun to create. So I went to Amazon to see if I could find some cute little hats. And I found these little stocking caps and these little top hats. So I thought these would be fun for my son to give to his hockey team or to share with his classmates for Christmas. Just a fun little treat. And then I might get a little more creative with the packaging. I haven't decided yet. But I'm going to go through everything you need and then we're going to make one together. And I thought these would be fun, even for craft fairs, little gifts to give with like a gift card or little gifts to leave on a coworker's desk or to hand out to church friends. They're just so cute. They also would just make cute little dinner favors. So we are going to go through together the things that you need to make it. So I just picked a piece of paper from the Save Freeze collection, which is from Michael's, and it's a couple years old, but really what I was doing is just looking for a colorful background piece of paper because the snowmen are white, just so they look a little bit better. I also use some markers. So I just use these markers. I do have alcohol markers and a bunch of fancy markers, but these have like the really thin tip, so it's easy for me to color things in. So I just grabbed like red, green, orange, and black out of here to use these. You're also going to need a paper trimmer to trim your paper. And then to wrap around the snowman, you can use a piece of cardstock, a piece of white paper, and just cut it down to 1 inch by 2 5/8. I actually just use address labels because I don't have to cut them. I just stick them right on there and I don't have to use any glue or anything on the chocolate. So I just use address labels. And then you're also going to need, obviously, you're going to need Hershey Nuggets. So I just have this bag of Hershey Nuggets and I'll take 3 out and we'll make one together. You're also going to need some ink. So I am going to use Distress Oxide. I have black soot, pine needle, and candied apple that we're going to use today. I also like to have a pair of scissors handy. And then you're going to need stamp blocks because we are going to use this adorable set of stamps that I found on Amazon. And it's like a build your own snowman. So they're so cute. Like you can just build your own snowman. But since we're just covering these, we're going to use like the faces. You can use the arms. You can use the little scarves. You can use all the things and make all these different little snowman faces. So you're going to need stamp blocks and then some stamps. You can also just draw the faces on. I'm also put mine in these pretzel bags. I use these for everything. I use these for nail file favors, pencil packs. I go through so many of these and I will link them below. I get those on Amazon as well. And then you're going to need the little hats. And so I bought these adorable little stocking caps off of Amazon and it came with so many. So I'll have enough to make more of these next year. So it comes with these cute little stocking caps in red and green. And then I also bought these adorable little top hats. And again, this came with 60. So I'll be making these for my craft fair next year, I think. And so it comes with these cute little top hats. And then I also found just tiny little flowers that I thought would be cute to glue on the top hat. Because if I remember correctly, Frosty had like a little flower on his top hat. So I thought that was cute. So I have those as well. So that's everything that you're going to need. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do mine on address labels. So I'm going to take out a sheet of address labels and we are going to go through this together. So first thing you're going to need to do is just cut your piece of paper. So these pretzel bags are 2 inches wide. And so I actually want to cut mine. Oh, you also need a hot glue gun or some sort of adhesive. I'm just going to use a glue gun for ours today, and I think that'll be fine. So what I do is I cut this smaller than 2 inches so it slides into the bag easy. So I usually go to like I don't know, 1.5 maybe. Let's try that and see what that looks like. And then I just cut a strip, and then I cut the strip in half. So I started with a 12 by 12 piece of paper. I cut it 1.5 by 6 inches. And then I have 2 strips for the background. And this is all you're gonna need your paper trimmer for. So then what we're gonna do is make sure your glue gun's heating up. You're gonna take your stamp or your labels, and you're gonna pick out your little face, and then whatever accessory you want. So on these ones, I put a little scarf on this one. This one I put the scarf up here because the top hat doesn't hang over, so I had to put the face higher, and then I added some arms and little dots for his buttons. So we're gonna make a top hat one, or a stocking cap one, because it's a little more gluing. So what I do is when you wrap these, you're gonna wrap them just the way that they are. So what I do is I actually just do my faces first, and I'm gonna just take whatever face you choose and get some ink on there. And then depending where you want, if you're gonna use a stocking cap or a top hat, the stocking cap kind of hangs down over, so we want the face to be a little bit lower. And then the top hat doesn't hang down at all, so you want the face to be a little bit higher. So what I do is I actually stamp the faces before I put them on. I'm also gonna stamp the scarf before I put it on. So for this one, you're gonna find the label, and you're gonna wanna go closer to the bottom for the stocking cap. So if it helps, we can kind of bend it a little so you can see where it ends here. So it doesn't matter if it's centered, because you can get it on there centered. So you're just gonna put the face on there, just like that. And then if you were gonna do the top hat, you'd want it a little bit higher. And then we're also gonna do a scarf at the same time. And you can totally do this when they're on there. I just found it easier to set up what I'm gonna do first. And so the scarf, you're gonna want it a little closer to the top. So if we bend this again, you can see you want the scarf a little bit closer to the top because he wears it around his neck. There you go. So then I actually will then color a little bit. I'm gonna color the nose of the snowman's face. I'm gonna color it orange. And I like to color to have the stocking or the scarf match kind of the background and then match the hat. So if I color green in between the red, it matches whatever hat I choose. And then I'm just gonna color this. So we'll just get coloring. And I let my ink dry a little bit so it doesn't smudge before I start coloring. So here I'm just coloring in where it's white. So it's a green and red scarf. And it's not gonna be perfect because to stay in camera, it's kind of far away from me. I just think it's super cute to match the hats. So when you got it where you want it, you can also color it when it's on them. It's whatever your preference is. There we go. So then we are going to take our Hershey Nuggets, and we are going to take the sticker. It is so easy. And we are going to center this face where we want it on here. And these are very forgiving, so you can actually pick them up and move them around. See? Try and get it on straight. If it's closer to my face, I would do better. All right, so. And see how easy it is? You just stick that right on there. And then for the scarf, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna center the scarf in the middle here, so it looks like he's wearing it. And you'll see on the back, it's still really easy for you to still open the candy. So that's that. And then we just need a plain one for the bottom. So you don't have to center anything with that. You can just put it on here and wrap it around. And then you have the beginning of your cute little snowman. So then what I do is I take the hat and I start to put it, well, before I put it on, I actually want to put a dab of glue here and a dab of glue here so it stays rolled up, because when we try to fit it in the bag, if you don't do that, it'll come on rolled in the bag and it makes it a little difficult. So I just open up this little hat here, take my glue gun, put a little dab in there, lift it up. Got some glue boogers on the top. Don't do that. Be neater than me. And then I'm going to do it again on the back. So I'm just going to press it down and then open it up. And if you wanted to use fabric glue or something, you could glue these ahead of time. So again, I'm just going to take and put just a tiny little dab of glue in here if it would come out. And then roll it up. So now it'll stay rolled when I'm putting it in the bag. So next thing I'm going to do is start to put the hat on. So I usually just get it where I want it on the little snowman. They're so cute. I love these little hats. Let's do one. So I get it where I want it on him. And then I'm going to just lift it up a little bit and put some glue and put it right back where I wanted it. And I'm using not a super hot glue gun because I don't want to melt my chocolate. So I have it where I want it in the front. And I usually start with the front because that's kind of what everyone's going to see. And then I'm just going to put a little dab in the back. And mostly I'm doing this because I want to put it in a bag. And if I don't do this, it rolls up and he doesn't look the way I wanted him to. So now we're just going to hold it for a minute to make sure that it dries. You don't want to set it down and have it stick to your surface unless you have a silicone mat or something to set it on. All right. Which I have a million silicone mats. I probably should have used one for this, but that's okay. So then now what we're going to do is we're going to glue the 3 pieces together. And I just use a tiny bit of hot glue on the end here. So I just put a little hot glue there, and then I'm going to push these 2 together. And I try to put my hot glue close to the top so then it doesn't stick on the surface that I'm working with. And you don't need tons of it because you don't want a big glob sticking out. So again, just a little hot glue here. And if you wanted to try to use glue dots or something, you could totally do that. They're going to be in a bag, so they're not going to fall apart within the bag. I mostly do this to get them in the bag. So then we're going to take the cute little pretzel bag. I can get one out. I have hot glue on my fingers. I'm the messiest crafter ever. Then we are going to take a piece of paper and we're just going to feed that through here. So there's a couple things you want to do. If you don't want to try and push this all the way to the bottom, you can fold up the bottom and tape it. And then, which I do that sometimes because it's just easier than trying to push this all the way to the bottom for no reason. So then I just grab my cute little snowman, and he's not super dry. So when you get up to the hat, it gets a little tricky because the hat's a little thick. So you want to make sure everything's dry, and I should have waited a few more minutes, but that's okay. And then once you get around the hat here, which you can totally see what you're doing, I usually then just take my scissors and poke them down as far as I want them to go. And like I said, you don't have to worry about this. It is too long, so you could fold this up and just take a piece of clear tape so you're not pushing him all the way down. You just take a piece of clear tape and make the bag fit perfect, like that. And then this one is, the top is self-sealing, so then I just take the top, down. And then I have this adorable little snowman in a bag. And you could push it down and put a little bag topper on it. They don't lay flat because obviously this hat's it's a little bulky. And then you have this adorable little snowman. I just can't even, I love the little hats. They're so stinking cute. And that's how I make my little Hershey Nugget Snowmen. And I think these would be super cute to put in a craft fair as well. You know, I do a lot of $3 or 2 for $5 items, and I would put these in there. You could also take like a different little piece of paper here, and you could make yourself a bag topper. I mean, you could push these down, put a little bag topper on here and a sticker that said Merry Christmas or to or from. I'd probably make it a little more decorative than this, but you can totally make a cute little bag topper as well. You could also just, I'd probably use like matching type paper or yeah. But anyway, they are cute just like this as well. So I just thought I'd share this with you. I do have a couple other candy ideas that I'm going to share before Christmas, because I do like to take some of these little sweet treats and send them to my nephews with their Christmas presents. They live in a different state, so I like to send them little goodies with their Christmas presents. So stay tuned. I'll probably have a couple more cute little sweet treat candy tutorials for Christmas coming up. But these are my snowmen. Thank you so much for stopping by. And again, I will link everything that I used in this video down below if you're interested in making some as favors for Christmas. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.